Hello everyone, welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on the Bullstock Info website that look promising for trade for Thursday, August 6th. For the complete list, visit www.bullstock.info. And we shall start this video with a look at the bullish engulfing chart pattern, the bullish engulfing, and we'll take a look at three stocks actually on the bullish engulfing. First of all, let's go back and take a look at COT. And I just realized that I have another view of this on here. You'll notice that right now, as we go to the beginning of May, we had a nice uptrend, pullback. That orange line, by the way, is 34 EMA, 34 exponential moving average. Then we move back up, big down day, then a little hook, or scoop, if you will, consolidation, some rest after the big move down, and then a big bullish engulfing today, almost 8.5% move for COT. The COT Corporation. For those normally watching our videos, regulars, you'll notice that we have a different set of lines on our chart for this video. This is my view of the 8 exponential moving average, which you're familiar with. That's the black line. And the orange line is your 34 exponential moving average. And I use this setup in my telechart as well to take a look, because the 8 exponential trading above the 34 exponential moving average is a good sign of trend. And as you can see, this stock COT has had a very nice trend since May, going from just under $4 to the high there of near $8, kind of moving back to the normal traditional chart view. We'll go back and look at the same thing. Traded well above the 8 exponential moving average. Your dashed line came down, finding minor support there, if you will, on the blue line. I haven't put the Fibonacci retracements on there. It'd be interesting to see what kind of pullback that was. But we take back off again, the big down move. And again, the 50-day moving average kind of right there to provide some support, if you will. The bullish engulfing today got us above the 8 exponential moving average and the 50-day moving average, your blue line. Next little obstacle right there is the 20-day moving average, your gray line, which is pretty close to the $6.30 mark. And if you'll look back over here, that was a recent high. So that was going to be a little area of resistance there. So keep an eye on that with your bullish engulfing signal for COT. Take a look at Rigel, as I call it, RIGL. It's a drug manufacturing, drug stock. Again, the same thing here for this one. It's had a nice move up. It's been following the 8 exponential with support on the 20-day moving average. Got through the 200, no problem. Came down, found support on the 20-day again. Hit a recent high. Then the bottom dropped out. We had a big failure, moving down to the just over the $8 mark. But the past 4 trading days, the 200-day moving average has provided support. Look at the close and then the open, and then today opening up just above the 200. So we've got some pretty equal lows, support on the 200-day moving average, a bullish engulfing with stochastics in the oversold area and curling up. Good looking bullish engulfing chart for RIGL. And final bullish engulfing for this video. Kind of a lot of charts looking alike here. Same thing, nice move up for RVBD. 20-day moving average provided support. We got up here, the 20 held for a little bit, then it fell through, but there was the 50-day moving average that provided support for that hammer. And look back here, the channel, the 20 and the 50-day moving average. So 50 was there to bounce it up, got through the 20, hit a recent high. Maybe some bad news, a huge gap down day and we've been trading in a kind of a sideways consolidation here with a couple of bullish hammers. Yesterday we had a doji, today kind of a hammer pattern. Stochastics definitely oversold area, about normal volume today for RVBD. So we'd like to see this hammer signal, this bullish engulfing over the doji from yesterday, carry us upward. And we'd like to get through the 8 exponential moving average as quickly as possible. And then the 20 and the 50-day moving averages, which are crossing there, would be a good profit target. And then, of course, always look to fill that gap at some point in time. So head up toward the $24 area as a long-range target. Have to get, again, through the 20 and the 50-day moving average. You do have some resistance at the $23.21 level. See the most recent high and the trading consolidation there. So definitely a while to go to fill that gap, but good looking bullish engulfing for RVBD. RVBD. Alrighty, we'll take a look at a piercing line pattern. This is SII, Smith International Incorporated. We had a couple of hammer signals on the far left-hand side of your chart, which caused some price moving up. We hit the 200-day moving average, kind of a shooting star up there, and then 2 gap down days before turning back around and getting back up to the 50-day moving average, actually closing above the 50 2 trading days ago. Bullish day yesterday, piercing line pattern today, which formed right on support on the 200-day moving average. Stochastics are approaching the overbought area, but I think we still have a little bit of momentum and room for this one to go. So we want to see a positive open and as quickly as possible trade through that 50-day moving average and continue above there. And I'd like to see that 200-day moving average provide support as we get through that 50-day moving average or blue line. So that's our piercing line pattern for Smith International, SII. Alrighty, we'll do a 3 inside up chart pattern for you. A 3 inside up, which has a nice looking stochastics in the oversold area and starting to curl up. And the 3 inside up, as our regulars will know, is a confirmation signal of the preceding day's bullish harami. And yesterday we had the bullish candle enclosed inside the bearish candle. That's the harami. And today was confirmation that that harami was turning our direction, if you will. We've got the 20, 50-day, and 8 exponential moving averages all consolidating together. Closed above the 8 EMA and closed just above the 20 and just below the 50-day moving averages. Same story here as the preceding stock. We want to open and trade above that 50-day moving average and stay there. You'll look at the chart, a lot of consolidation in this area, but you'll also look that line there on the bottom, that horizontal line that's going all the way across. That's the $9.24 mark. So that has been a huge area of support. So definitely have a stop there. You could even do a little tighter stop if your trading style dictates. But get above the 50 and stay above the 50. Nice looking 3 inside up for CATY. CATY. And finally on our video today, a look at a 3 outside up. A 3 outside up, which is a confirmation candlestick of a bullish engulfing. Yesterday we had an engulfing signal, even though a small engulfing, but today was confirmation that that signal was indeed correct with the 3 outside up forming. Almost an 11% move for PCBC, Pacific Capital Bancorp. PCBC. Good profit potential to your 50-day moving average, the blue line, as today we were able to close above the 8 EMA and the 20-day moving average. So I'd like to see it get up to the 50-day moving average and take some profit off this 3 outside up PCBC. Okay, folks, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching our bullish candlestick chart pattern video. Compliments of bullstock.info. Don't forget the website www.bullstock.info has a much larger list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every trading day, so stop by and visit, and also follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/bullstock.